Every car has its own unique sound. But that includes much more than just the sound of the engine. It's the goal of several departments at Audi to create a unique sound design for the entire vehicle. But how does every Audi end up sounding really sporty and high quality? Johannes Kirstner, an acoustics engineer at Audi, works each day on analysing the sound of car components, both inside and outside the vehicle. We're responsible here for the acoustic measurement of parts such as spoilers, window winders, windscreen wipers and electric seat adjusters. We measure all those parts and then evaluate them acoustically. A so-called dummy head is used for sound recording. Equipped with microphones, it simulates human hearing. To ensure that measurements can be compared, the head always has to be in the same position. Here you can see the recording of the window winder. Here as a raw signal, here opening and here closing. Terms such as amplitude or frequency are used here to define the perception of a sound. Their meaning can be illustrated by an orchestra. It consists of a large variety of instruments with different pitches, so-called frequencies. The amplitude defines their volume. To create exceptional overall acoustics, the individual instruments have to harmonize with each other where sound and intensity are concerned. And with Audi, it's just the same. This is why Audi's sound designers have created a very special sound for all the car's control elements, the so-called Audi click.
Diesen Klick so hinzubekommen.
It took a few attempts to finally get the click just right. Of course, we had to try out different spring strengths and also different materials to achieve the precise click as specified by us at Audi.
Bei Audi spezifiziert ist.
However, not only all the controls but also the display is highlighted acoustically by the unique Audi click. It's simply our concept of high quality, so that whatever Audi you're sitting in, from the A1 to the A8, you always get the same acoustics. But how is it that similar components can sound different? A visual comparison of a spoiler engine from the A7 to the TT reveals no differences. On the one hand, the A7 is slightly larger in size, so the spoiler is a bit further away from the vehicle's occupant. On the other hand, a plastic tank has been integrated and the whole thing slightly decoupled, while on the TT it's all been simply screwed onto the sheet. If background noise of indeterminate origin occurs, an acoustic camera is used. Microphones are installed outside it, on the arms. From the differences in the sound duration, the camera can calculate the location of the sound in the image. The evaluation of short, more complex sound events, such as the closing of a car door, requires a keen ear and all the expertise of an acoustics engineer. In that case, we heard a rattle near the left door. Now we'll check if the right door is better. Yeah. Special constructions, such as insulation inserts, can also influence the sonic properties of a component. In addition, the quiet thump created by opening and closing mechanisms enhances the perception of a premium quality car. Specially composed sounds used on the display and all the other controls round off the feeling of reassuringly high quality. The Audi and its special sounds, an instrument of the senses.